Before we can start estimating the market size for specific products or services, it's essential to understand a few terms and concepts. Market size is defined as the total number of products or services that an industry is able to sell to a certain market segment. Once you find the market size, you can establish just how big and attractive the opportunity may or may not be. Market size is measured by either volume, such as shipments, weight, or single units, or in currency, and by a certain time frame, typically 1 year. The term market itself can have multiple definitions. It can mean 1. A medium where buyers and sellers of a product or service interact to engage in an economic transaction, whether or not money is exchanged. 2. A place where securities are traded. 3. The customers or potential customers who purchase specific products or services from the same providers. For our context of market sizing, we're referring to the third definition. An example of a market would be people who own a car buy car insurance. Market segmentation is the process of splitting the overall market of customers and potential customers into different groups where customers share interests and have similar needs and characteristics. A market segment is a fraction of the overall market where the customers share similar characteristics. Segmentation allows companies to focus their efforts on the market segment or segments in which they have a competitive advantage. There are many ways to segment a market, such as by geography, demographics, price, or distribution channels. For example, the car insurance market can be segmented by the level of coverage: full coverage, basic coverage, pick and choose. A sector is a distinct part or branch of an economy or society where a large group of businesses can be categorized. A sector is made up of many industries. An example of sector would be the manufacturing sector, which includes all companies that manufacture products, such as those in the automotive, apparel, electronics, and furniture industries. An industry is a collection of companies with very similar business activities that sell similar products or services to the same customers. Industries are created by further splitting sectors into more defined categories. An example of an industry would be footwear manufacturing, which is made up of companies that primarily engage in manufacturing footwear. There are many systems used to classify different industries. In North America, the most common one is the North American Industry Classification System, often referred to as NAICS. To go back to our footwear example, the NAICS code for footwear manufacturing is 31621.